Have you heard about black soldier fly? If you're a farmer, you're going to enjoy farming black soldier fly. Uganda's biggest agricultural event is back, and participating again is Ento Organic Farm. We are demonstrating how to turn organic waste into value using the black soldier fly technology. By converting waste into fertilizer and high protein feeds, we help farmers reduce costs, improve productivity, and build stronger and more profitable businesses. Being part of the Harvest Money Expo is about more than showcasing our innovation. It's about connecting with farmers, listening to their challenges, sharing practical solutions, and empowering them to adopt climate-smart, sustainable farming practices that create lasting impact. At the Harvest Money Expo, ideas are not just talked about, but they are grown into solutions that can feed a nation. Because when knowledge is shared, impact multiplies. The future of farming is not somewhere ahead of us. It's right here. Visit our website to learn more about our work, the impact we are creating, and how you can be part of us. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.